Hi, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday where I teach you about a feature of Planty or give you a meal planning tip in 2 minutes or less. Today, I want to show you about the without ingredient filter and give you some times when this feature might be helpful for you. So the with and without ingredient features are available on the Planty website currently, not available on the Planty app yet. But you can type in any ingredients that you do not want to have included in the recipes that you add to your meal planner. So this can be really helpful if you are having somebody over for dinner who has a food allergy, or maybe your family has just told you that they're tired of eating chicken and they don't want to have chicken recipes right now. You can then use the without ingredient filter to show recipes that do not include the specific ingredients that you type in within those recipes. So let's say I have somebody coming over and they can't have any eggs or dairy. So I can type in as many ingredients as I want, and you can see that it is shrinking the number of recipes that I'm seeing as I enter in new ingredients. So now these recipes fit my search parameters. They're recipes that I would think would be safe to have for this person that I'm having over for dinner, and I can add these recipes to my meal plan. You can also combine the without ingredient filter with any of the other filtering options. So I can also come in here and make sure that I'm only seeing main course recipes as opposed to breakfast or appetizer recipes as well. You can add in any of these additional things. If you have questions, there is a help article linked in the description of this video, and you can also email us at help@planty.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.